Hi, my name is Lon VomBaur, and I'm the owner of Rocktop Construction. We specialize in roofing and exterior design. We also look for opportunities to help homeowners with using their homeowners insurance, especially when they've experienced some storm damage. The most common type of insurance policy is called an RCV, or Recoverable Cost Value. If you think you've experienced some storm damage, the first thing you want to do is contact a reliable professional. We don't use homeowners insurance as often as we do auto insurance, so it can be very confusing. And different insurance companies may interpret the same type of damage in different ways, so that's an important factor as well. The most common question that I'm asked by a homeowner is, will calling in a claim increase my premiums? And the answer is maybe, but not likely. If you've called in a claim recently, or if you have a history of calling into claims, it can raise your premiums. Otherwise, it generally will not. Another important topic I would like to discuss is that of home repairs. Oftentimes, when somebody does a repair or patch to their roof, that will actually void their ability to get the roof replaced by the insurance company. And if not done correctly, it can actually increase the damage to your roof and cause more leaking inside. Let's say you think you've experienced some storm damage. What's the process? Well, first you want to contact a reliable professional to inspect your roof. Usually they're free. The next thing you'll do is call in the claim using the insurance company's toll-free number. It's not a bad idea to have your contractor with you when you call in that claim, and you want to be prepared with the date and perhaps even the time that the damage took place. The next thing they'll do after they provide you with the claim number is send an insurance adjuster or roof inspector to your house. Again, you'll want to have your contractor there to conduct the inspection at the same time. After that, you'll receive an insurance estimate, usually as an attachment to an email. Now, all the numbers and terms in that estimate can be very confusing, like RCV, ACV, depreciation. We understand the deductible part, but let's take a closer look.
So here's how the process works. Our estimate will show the replacement cost value, or RCV total, the amount of your deductible, the amount the insurance company calculated for depreciation, and the actual cash value, or ACV. The ACV is the cost to replace the damaged property without factoring in depreciation. Depreciation is the value of loss due to age, wear and tear, and deterioration. The RCV is the value of reinstating the property back to its pre-loss conditions. To sum up, ACV plus depreciation equals RCV. Most insurance companies will pay the actual cash value up front, while delaying payment for the depreciation amount until after the homeowner has sent proof that the roof has been completed. A supplemental payment can be made if the contractor incurs additional justifiable costs, or if the insurance estimate did not include all the costs to repair or replace your roof. Normally, the homeowner will pay the contractor the ACV and the deductible to initiate the work. Once the project is complete, you'll pay the contractor the depreciation amount you've received to complete the RCV, and the supplemental payment if there is any. As a homeowner, the only out-of-pocket expense you should incur when the insurance company is paying to replace your roof is the deductible.
What the insurance estimate will not show you is supplemental insurance. And you may receive that combined with the depreciation payment, which will be the second check after the ACV, or it may be a third separate check. So usually you'll receive the ACV check within a few days of getting your estimate. You pay that to the contractor plus the deductible. When the roof is complete, the invoice will be sent to the insurance company by the contractor. What is not shown in your estimate is supplemental insurance. If the contractor incurs additional costs that are justifiable, the insurance will also pay supplemental insurance. It may be combined with the second check you receive, the depreciation amount, or a third check will be sent for supplemental payment. One other thing that might take place is they may include the mortgage company on those checks. If that happens, you'll have to send it off to them for endorsement before you get it back and can deposit it yourself. So to recap, you want to take note of the date of the storm and the time, if you can, Avoid doing repairs yourself. Don't wait too long before you call in the claim, and make use of a reliable professional during the process. Remember, your home may be the most valuable investment you ever make. So spend a dime and save a dollar. For more information, you can find us at www.rock-top.com or call 801-567-1234. Thanks.